Hi everyone, Zori Mori here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a unboxing and try on. I'm gonna show you pieces by Sezane. I'm really excited because few of the stylings turned so well. They are currently my favorite. You might have seen previews of the looks already on my Facebook group. If you're not part of it, I'm gonna link to it in the description box below. On there I share discount codes, sale alerts, restock alerts, new collection gossip, and brands I think you're gonna enjoy if you like my Sezane content. I hope to see you on there. I'm also gonna link my Instagram accounts. I have one dedicated to travel and one to personal style. If you're active on those platforms, stop by and say hi. If you enjoy watching today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I'd love to see you around more. Now let's get into today's video. This here are the Fabio pants in plaid, and to say I'm obsessed with them is an understatement. I love these colors. It is 100% virgin wool. You have lining inside so they don't feel itchy. I wish Sezane had a coat in this color combo. I think it would have been a stunning coat, but I will settle for the pants and the jacket. I'm gonna show you the jacket next. I got both because I love these colors. I got size 36, which is one size bigger than what I usually get from Sezane for bottoms, but last winter I tried the wool pants in my 34 size and everything was way too tight. Maybe because wool has absolutely no give. I have wide hips. I wanted to be comfortable, so I went with size 36 and this was 100% the right decision. I like how they flow on me. I have to hem them. They are extremely long, but other than that, 10 out of 10. Absolute favorite from Sezane. This is the Christie Jacket in plaid. I'm excited to style it with the pants, so it's a matchy set, and on its own with a pair of jeans. Again, I'm obsessed with the colors. 100% virgin wool with this really nice navy lining on the inside. On the website it said if you're between two sizes, get the size below. I disagree. I got size 34, which is my usual size, and size 32, which is the size below, and between the two I think my usual size fits way better. If you want to look like the models on the website where the blazer is looser and it flows kind of like it hangs a little bit like your boyfriend's blazer, get your usual size. I think the blazer is made to be worn that way. I'm keeping size 34, so 34 for the jacket and 36 for the pants. This here is the Bettany Cardigan size extra small, which is my usual size for Sezane cardigans. I love this design. I have the black and white version. I think between the two, the black and white is more elegant. I think more people probably would gravitate towards that one because it's more classic. This light blue is really charming, but it has more of a Little House on the Prairie vibe, which I personally don't mind, but I know it's not everyone's cup of tea. The cardigan is perfect for people who are not tolerant to itchy wools. This is 100% merino. It's very soft to the touch. It has no itch whatsoever. This here is the Magda Cardigan size extra small. This design comes in variety of colors. It's a little bit out of character for me to grab this shade of purple. I don't really own anything in this color. I wanted to give it a try. It looks really great with navy. I am gonna send this one back because I anticipate we are going to see a ton more purple in the spring collections across all brands. It's a trend prediction I've been seeing online. And since it's not a color that I gravitate towards a ton, I want to be really selective and pick the shade that I'm gonna enjoy the most. And I'm not sure if the saturation level is the best one for me. So this Magda is going back, but I am going to be shopping for something in purple this spring. This here is the Louise Cardigan size extra small. This is a size bigger than what I usually get from the brand, but I tried it in person in Paris and I like the extra small fit. I didn't get it back then, and then I kept thinking about it, so when I returned to San Francisco, I placed an order for it. I think it's one of the pieces that gets overlooked, but it's a perfect essential that you can style and restyle season after season. It's perfect for people with no tolerance to wool because it's 100% merino wool. It has no itch whatsoever. It's very lightweight, really delicate. I love that it has slight volume on the sleeve with a little ruffle. The knit, you could say it is see-through, but in very, very small portions. So when I wear a skin-colored bra, I think it really camouflages with the top and it looks really good. I imagine you can also wear a thermal, like a black thermal underneath, and that will be a good combo as well. This here is the Alison Skirt size 34, which is my usual size for Sezane buttons. It feels really well. The material has a little bit of stretch, but not a ton. I love the deep, very deep functional pockets. I wish all skirts and dresses had such an amazing feature, like deep pockets. I also love the chunky buttons you have at the front. It's a classic essential piece. But be aware, this is a true mini. It's very short, quite on brand for Sezane. They like their mini skirts very, very mini. Très mini. Alright everyone, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of today's video. Which pieces were your favorite? Are any of them on your wish list? I want to know. If you haven't joined me on Facebook and Instagram, links are in the description box below. If you enjoyed watching today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I'd love to see you around more. Have a wonderful week and see you next time.